Okay, so in this session, we'll discuss about the two commands. One is head and tail, and second one is the set command. Okay, so in this head and tail is nothing but uh, the top records and bottom records. Okay, set is in nothing but it is a stream editor. We will find and replace. Find and replace. This is about the set command. So if you want to find and you want to replace, you can do the same by v8, right? If you open the v8, you can give percentage s, and what is the string you
Yes.
want to find it, you want to replace it. But at that time you need to open manually v8, right? But this is the command. So if you give the command, what is the string you want to find and replace, if you give the command, it will go to that file, and it will search and it will replace it. But V8 is it's different. We need to open manually, and it will do manually find and replace, right? Okay. So
Okay.
coming to that head and tail, let's say this is my file. Okay, let me create a file cat abc. Okay, so this is my file. Okay, so head and tail, yeah, head and tail is nothing but if you give head file name abc, so it's nothing but it will give the top 10 lines of the file. This is the top 10 lines. Okay, so it's nothing but the first 10 lines of your file. So this is the your first 10 lines, right? From this file, this is the first 10 lines. These first 10 lines will be displayed. Head and file name. Okay, so if you want to use this command in the other way, you can use cat abc. You can display the file, and head is nothing but it will display the first 10 lines.
Okay.
Okay, like the same way, if you give tile abc, it will display the last 10 lines. Okay, this is your
Okay.
file. So it will check that this is the first line, second line, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and tenth. Okay, these 10 lines will be displayed. Okay, so if you
Mm-hmm.
want to use, you can use cat abc tile. Is nothing but it will display the last 10 lines. Okay, so if you use head, it will display the first 10 lines. If you use tile, it will display the last 10 lines. Okay, so if you want to see only first two lines, or only first line, or first 100 lines, or first 200 lines. Okay, so here,
Mm-hmm.
so first is always refers the head, last is always refers the type. Suppose if you want to so basically the command syntax is head hyphen uh, 3. Okay, so it's nothing but it will display the first three lines, right? If you want to display the first three lines, you need to specify head space minus 3 space abc. So if you give 3, it will display the first three lines. So by default is, if you don't give any number, by default is it will take it as 10. So if you
Okay.
want to specify these number of lines, I want to display first 10 lines, or 20 lines, or 30 lines, you need to give the uh, the numeric value. If I give 6, so it will display the first 6 lines. Okay, like the same way, if you give tile ABC, if you didn't mention the numeric value, by default it is the 10. Okay, if you mention any value, tile minus 2 ABC, it will give the last two lines. Okay, this is the one line and this is the empty line. So these two lines will be displayed. Okay, so you can use the same command in the other way, like cat ABC tile minus 2. So it will display the last two lines. Okay, so if you let me tell one command, if I want to see the first line, so generally we will give the cat abc head minus 1, right? This is the
Mm-hmm.
for first record. If we want to see the last record, tile minus 1. So let's say I want to see a fifth record. So how can you see the fifth record? This is the file name. Okay, this is the file. I want to see the only one, two, third record. I want to see only third record from the file. So how can you see it?
Mm, by giving -3, right? Cat ABC
Yeah,
uh,
cat ABC
pipeline
yeah
head minus.
head minus 3. Then it will display the first 3 lines, right? I want to display only third line.
Oh,
I want to display only third line.
okay, maybe
Yeah.
minus 3, comma, I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah. Use that add and tell. It's easy. So
Oh, okay.
you can use the pipeline and you can give another command, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
this is the
yes.
my output. If you see, this is from this output, I need to third record is nothing but my last record.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, if you give tail minus 1, so you can get the only third record, right?
Yeah,
If you want
yes.
the seventh record, so I will display the first 7 records. Okay, then
Mm-hmm.
from this output, last record is my seventh record, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can display only the seventh record here. You can display, so by using this pipe and head and light, if you want to get only the particular record, so you can use head minus 7 ABCs. It will display the first 7 lines. I want only the 7 lines. So from that output, my last record will be the seventh record.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And next one is the coming to the set command. It's a stream editor. It will search and replace the in your file. Suppose if you fire a query and the grep command, the actual file will not be affect, right? So from that file, so using the grep
Mm-hmm.
command, it will take the output. Okay, but set is nothing but it will directly edit your file, your actual file.
Okay.
Okay, so let's say I'm creating a file cat abc. Abc is already there, so I want to order hi. Hi, this is easy. Okay, let's say this is my file, right? So if you want
Mm-hmm.
to set something and I want to replace it, so the basically set command is nothing but so the first basic syntax in the set is if you give set, okay, then
Mm-hmm.
basically S is mean for search. Okay, in the V8 also we will give percentage S, right? So it will search. I want to search a particular character that is high. Okay, where is the high? I want to replace it hello. And then
Mm-hmm.
J and then file name. What about this G? Okay, so G is nothing but so here I have the high. So in this record I have the one pattern. This record I have the two patterns. Okay, this record I have the one pattern, right? So it will not talk about any record wise or anything. Globally, whenever we have the high, it will just replace it to ABC.
Okay.
So sorry, whenever it is we have HI, it is replaced to hello.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so then see if you see the file hello, it is replaced, right? This is also replaced. This is not replaced, right? Okay, so we are say hi, right? Okay. So this is replaced and this is replaced. Okay, these two are replaced, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm sorry, Ravi. Actually, it is not impact to main file. This is also it will replace it and it will show the outputs.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so now wherever we have the HI, it is replaced to hello, right? Let's say I have given set command. Yes, wherever I have the is, okay, make it RR. So if I didn't mention G, what does it mean? So this is the here we have the is here, is here, is here. I am saying that replace it is to with this pattern in the ABC file.
Mm-hmm.
Here basically it is the G. G is nothing but globally. Okay.
Okay.
So in the entire file, whenever we have the pattern, just replace it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not using the G, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you don't give the G, so we'll see what will happen. So it is replaced to what is my actual file is, right? Is. It is not replaced, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is replaced. Okay, that is okay. Why it is not replaced? This
It is,
IS, right? IS, it has to be replaced, right? This is not
yeah,
replaced. This is not replaced, but this should be replaced, right?
yes.
Okay, one second. Let me give Vijay ABC. So it is replaced, right? See, if you see Vijay,
Mm,
it is replaced here.
yeah.
Okay. So this Vijay is replaced here. Okay, this Vijay is not replaced. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here we have the two options. One is the said. Okay. Yes, Vijay. Yeah. The first thing is if you give the G, it will globally replace the particular pattern into the pattern which was provided by us. Okay. If you didn't mention the G by default. One second, was I calling? One second.
Yep.
Yeah. So if you didn't mention the G here, it will take the by default the value is 1. Okay. So we'll see what
Mm-hmm.
is the 1 and 1, 2. Okay. If you didn't G, okay, by default it will consider this is the 1. So what is 1 and what is 2? What is the numeric values? So G is nothing but global, it will replace it. So when I give some number, okay, by default it will take it as 1 if you didn't mention any number or if you didn't mention G. By default it will take it as 1. So if I give ABC, what will happen? We'll see. This is our file, cat ABC. So if you see the Vijay, this Vijay is not changed. This Vijay is not changed. This Vijay is also not changed, right?
Yeah. No, it's changed over there.
Yeah, it is changed, right? Second Vijay is changed, right? So the meaning of the this option is nothing but. So if you give the G, it will entirely global in the file, it will replace it. Whenever you are giving the number, it is talking about the occurrence at the record level. This is about record level. When you give the some numeric value, then immediately the set command will talk about the occurrence. So it will replace it, but it will check at the record level. Okay, if I give the 2 for every record, it will check that. If I have, suppose let's say it will take the first record. If you have the particular pattern, so it will change it, but at the second occurrence only, not the first occurrence. That is about meaning of numeric values. Okay, so here
Okay.
just wherever we have the Vijay, replace it 2. 2 is nothing but whenever you are giving the numeric value, that means it is at record level at occurrence. Okay, not so if you say this is the Vijay and this is the Vijay, you can say it as this is the first occurrence, this is the second occurrence, and this is the third occurrence, right? This is the first
Mm-hmm.
occurrence, this is the second occurrence, this is the third occurrence. But it will, when you give the number, it will talk about the occurrence at record level. So it will replace it. So it will check the each and every record. So this is my first record. Okay, if I have the pattern Vijay, it will check for the only second occurrence. I have given the two, right? So for every record in the second occurrence only, it will replace it. So that's why it is not replaced. If you see this Vijay is not replaced. In this record, we have the two values. Okay, second value will be replaced. Coming to the third record. So for every record on that particular occurrence only, it will replace the pattern. So basically, if you give said this pattern and G, so it will not talk about the occurrences. It will not talk about the records. Whenever we have the particular pattern, it will replace it. Okay, so if you mention other than G, if you mention any value like 1, 2, 3, then what it will do is it will set the pattern for each and every record. Let's say in the record I have the Vijay 3 times. If you give 3 here, at the third occurrence only it will replace it.
Okay.
Okay, like the same way it will go to the next record and again it will check the occurrences. It is the record level. So in this file we can say it as I have the Vijay 3 times. I have the 3 occurrences, right? But it will check that at the record level. In this record, uh, so at the second occurrence only it will replace it. So coming to this record at the second occurrence only it will replace it. Okay, so if you
Okay.
give uh, say like suppose this we have is, right? We have if you give the same comment. Okay, if I give the same comment, so by default value, if you didn't give the value, okay, the meaning is it will the default is 1. So it will change only at the first occurrence. So Vijay. So this is Vijay. So in this record, this is the first occurrence, so it is changed it. So coming to this record, this is the first occurrence, it is changed it. Second occurrence, it will not change it because we have given the value, right? So
Yeah.
if you didn't give the J, by default, it will take it as the numeric value is 1. Other than that, you need to mention 2, 3 and everything. So coming to this
Okay.
record, this is the first occurrence, it will change it. Second occurrence, it will not change it because we have given by default it will take it as 1, right? Like the same command, if you give G, it will replace in the entire file. It will not bother about the record level and occurrences. Occurrence is nothing.
Yeah.
When you give the number, it will talk about the occurrence, then that is the record level.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing is like suppose like grep command, if you want to ignore the case sensitive, like suppose the cat ABC, I am saying that set, I want to, yes, I want to set this. Okay, my this is capital letters. This I want to replace it something globally in the file. My file name is ABC. So it is not replaced, right? This is not replaced because this is in the uh,
Yeah. Okay.
uppercase, but this is the lowercase. If you want to ignore the case sensitive, here after J, if you give 1, it will ignore the case sensitive. IJ, okay, set Vijay, VAJAY, GA, ABC, right? So it is replaced, right? Because this pattern is not working. Maybe I think some it is not space or I have given some different characters. So that's why it is whenever I try to execute any command with this pattern, so it is not
Yeah.
executing, right?
Okay.
So maybe some special character are typed while create the file. Okay, so GI is nothing but it will ignore the case sensitive. So whenever we have the Vijay, it will ignore the case sensitive and it will replace it.
Okay.
Okay, and next one is like the grep command. So if I want to display the set of records which is started with some pattern, so we need to use cap, right? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so like the same way in the set command. Okay, this is my ABC file. Okay, this is my set command. Set yes. So the basically set we will give it in the double quotes. First one is the yes. Then we have the pattern. Okay, from Ramu G ABC. So what it will do is, so whenever the file is started with from, okay, in that particular file only, it will replace the pattern uh, from to Ramu. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So in this line only, suppose if I have the another like from here also, that is also changed. See here the some special characters are typed, right? We can't see when you open the cat the special characters. When you open the file in the EVA editor, you can see this control M characters and all the special characters. So that's why whenever I have given the this, so actually this is not this. So that's why it is not going to replace. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So see, so what it will do is whenever the file is started with FROM, only that in that particular lines it will from is replaced to ROM. Okay.
Okay.
So let's say suppose this is the my file name. So this is the empty line. Okay, this is the empty line, right? How to find out the empty record using the set?
Mm,
How to replace that empty record with some value?
just give space, right? Instead of whatever the like.
Space is nothing but it's not space is nothing but empty line, right? Space we can use it, right? Suppose if I give if I give Vijay ABC, VA ABC, if I enter a line, insert mode, shift A, and so if I insert a line, if I given space, this has the record. That record you have the space value, right? Space is a value. If
Yeah.
I give cat ABC, that's the space value, the record. Okay, this record. Okay, so
Yeah.
this is the empty line. How to replace the empty line something else? So basically, uh,
Mm-hmm.
this is the starting of the line. This is the ending of the line. If you don't find anything between the starting and ending, it's nothing but empty line, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I'm saying that my starting line and this is the ending line, okay, if there is nothing in the anything between here, that means that is the empty line. So if you give set, okay, yes, basically this is for in Unix we will use for start, okay, this is for end. So if I give start and end, it's nothing but the starting and end between nothing is there. That means wherever we have the find this pattern, that means whenever we have the empty line. So it is replaced to Vijay and G, okay, ABC. So now it is replaced, right? This empty line is replaced to Vijay. So how can you find that empty line is nothing but in the Unix, you will give the cap, it is used to start this character. So dollar is you are saying that and this character. If I give start and character between, I am not using any characters. That means so it will start with and end with nothing. That means that is the empty line,
Okay.
right? Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I want to find that empty lines. I want to set with something. Okay. So how to delete that empty line? Suppose like cat ABC. So can you use to delete the particular line? If I am saying that don't replace with anyone. Okay. Then it will delete, right? Delete or it will be there. It is not going to
Mm,
delete, right?
yeah.
So how to delete that empty lines? So I am saying that don't replace with anyone. That means it
Mm-hmm.
has to that has to be deleted, right? It is not deleting, right?
Mm-hmm.
So uh, so in the generally notepad, if you do find out something, if you are saying that you are not replaced with not anyone, so what you are finding that will be deleted, right?
Mm-hmm.
But here it is not deleting. Suppose this is your notepad, Control F. I am saying that replace with edit, replace. Whenever you have the find, okay, don't replace with anyone. Don't replace it. Okay, then what it will do? This find will be deleted, right? I have a find a pattern that is the replace. I want
Okay.
to
Yeah.
replace this one with empty. Empty is nothing but this will be
Just.
replaced, right? This will be deleted.
Yeah.
Like the same way I
Yeah.
tried. Whenever the empty line, don't replace with anyone. Just with don't replace with anyone. So then this should be deleted, right? But it is not
Yes.
deleting.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically
Mm-hmm.
in the set, okay, I will explain that comment. Basically in the set, the thing is if you give yes, this pattern and this pattern, and G is nothing but whenever we have this pattern, it will replace with this pattern G globally. So it will not about at record level. So when you talk about record level, then only the occurrence will come. So it will not bother about anything. Whenever the file, in the entire file, whenever you have that pattern, it will replace it. Okay. So our next option is, if I give some numeric value, what it will do, it will go to that every record. Okay. 3 is nothing but whenever you have given the numeric values other than G. Okay. When you give the 3, that means this is the third occurrence. Third occurrence, when you're talking about the occurrence, Unix will talk about the record. So in this record, third occurrence, at the third occurrence you have that value, and that means third time. Okay,
Yeah.
the pattern find the pattern has that four times. At the third time only it will replace it. Then come to the next record. Okay, when the pattern has only 2 times, it will not replace it. So we have given the 3 every record. Okay, in each and every record, it will check that the particular pattern do you have at the third occurrence. Then in the third occurrence only it will replace it. If I didn't give anything, by default it will take it as the numeric value 1. So to ignore the case sensitive, we will give the GA. If you want to replace something, so where I want to start with the lines, so whenever my line is start with from, on that particular line from is replaced to some Vijay. Okay, so whenever my record starts from, okay, in the from only we can replace it to Vijay. Okay, then next one is the set, yes, empty lines. If you want to replace the empty lines, this is the empty line. You want to replace something, okay, you can give some G and file name. Okay, so it will replace the empty line with some pattern, right? And next one is, this is the basically search and replace. Okay, and next one is, we have the command set -n. -n is nothing but about to print particular records. Actually, this option you can do it in head command also. Okay, you can do it in the head command also. There is no need to give this command -n option. So if I give -n option, I want to print particular line. If I give 3p ABC, -n option is nothing but it will display the record. -n is always about record number. It will, if you give 3p, third record will be print here. Okay, it will print the third record. This you can do it from head and tail, right? If I give head -3 ABC, tail -1, it can, I can delete the third line, right? So head -3 is nothing but it will give the first 3 lines. Then tail -3 is nothing but last 10 is nothing but obviously but third record. You can do it the same command by head and tail. No need to use set command, right? So in the set we have the other option -n. If I give 2,5 range, if you mention the range 2,5p, okay, 5p tail is nothing but it will print the lines from 2 to 5. Set -n, okay, 2, 4p. Here I am giving the wrong file name, right? So that's why it is not displaying. I am giving tail, right? So if I give ABC, so it will print the lines from second line to fourth line. This is the range you can give it. Okay, if you want to display the record from first line to fourth line, you can give like this. It will display the records. Okay, so if you want to display the first record, you can give it set -n and 1p and file name. You can give it to print the first record. Last record, you don't know the record number, right? For last record, you don't know. The first record, I can say it is, my first record is 1. So last record, you don't know how many records in your file. Okay, then you can give last. When you are saying about last, okay, just use this dollar and p. So it will print the last line. Last line is the empty line. So that's why it is display the empty line. Okay, so set -n first line you can know, anyway it is one, last record we don't know, so that's why this is the $p. It will print the last line. So you can do the same thing by using set command also. Okay, if you know the yeah, but we want to print the last line. Yeah, we can print it, right? We can just print it tile minus one and ABC. It will give the last line, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we can
Yeah.
do the same in the head and tail also. Okay, no need to use this set minus an option to print the lines. But here we have the another option, D command. Okay, suppose this is your file. If you want to delete a particular line, okay, you can delete it. But it will see this anything. It will not delete anything from your actual file. So it will show the output. If you execute this command, replace. If you want to replace something, if I replace it, how my output will be? It will show it.
Yep.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
if you want to delete that, if I delete that particular line, how my output will be? It will just show it. In your actual file, it will not going to delete. Okay, so like
Okay.
this in the set command, if I give set 3D, okay, 3D, D is for delete. Third line will be deleted. Okay, third line is deleted, right? This line is deleted. Okay, if I give set 2 comma 4D ABC, so it will delete the lines from 2 comma 4. This is the actual file 2, 3, 4. These 4 lines are deleted, right? If you want to delete the last line, like the same way, you can use $D file name. This is the empty line. This line will be deleted. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is about the set command. Okay. Then then suppose if you are executing a command, like I am executing a command ls minus lrt grep d, what it will do? It will uh, display the directories. I want to suppose if I execute any command, the output of the command I want to keep it into a file. Whatever the command you are executing, the output
Mm-hmm.
of the command I want to keep it into a file. So we have the only one thing, like suppose this is the mobile extern, this is the file, right? Suppose I am executing a command. I have given cat. So let me, this is my command, right? So I want to give cat ABC, okay, tail minus 3. Then I am doing the grep Vijay. Then I am replacing said yes, okay, some Hyderabad to Bangalore. So we will get the output, right? So we not get
Mm-hmm.
it. So cat ABC, this is the file name. Time minus 3, this is the last 3 lines. This is the empty lines, boss. This is the empty line. We have the one record here. Okay. Here
Okay.
I am searching the grep Vijay. So there is no Vijay, right, in the 3 lines. So this command will not execute. Okay. So the command will execute. We don't have any output. If I give tile minus 4, okay, we will get the output. See, this is my last 4 records. Okay, this is my last 4 records, grep Vijay. So I will get only this record, I think. Yeah. So this is the only record I will think. Then I am doing, whenever I have the Hyderabad, I replace it to Bangalore. So this Hyderabad is replaced to Bangalore. This is my output, right? Okay. So
Yeah.
you are executing multiple commands by using the pipe. So finally we will get the one output. If you want to save the output in a file, you can give like this is the file name. Okay, this output will not display here. What is the output? That output is displayed into override into some file. So initially, if the file is output is not there, this is the first time it will create the file with that output, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now again I am executing the command. I have given double greater than. That means this is the first time executed. This is the output. So now there is any output comes, it will append to the file, not override, right?
Yes.
Yeah, cat output. So it will yeah, cat output. So it will override the so it is appended the output to the file, right? Like the same way. So how many times you are executing that output, every time it will append into this file. So like greater than and double greater than. So the basically override and append. If the file is not there, first time it will create it. If you continuously giving greater than, every time it will have the latest data. Okay, it will override.
Mhm.
Double greater than is right. Suppose let's say this is my date command. I want to suppose suppose I have the date file. I want to get my date file, current date. So I will give the some date plus percentage y, percentage m, percentage d. So this is my output, right? This is output. I write this output into date dot. Otherwise, I can say it as current underscore date. So if you open current underscore date, it has the every time it has the so this is the today date, right? So
Mhm.
date I am converting to this format. So that output I am keeping uh, storing into some file.
Mhm.
Okay. So in the
Okay.
Unix, what is the output you want to write into your file? Just write the entire file and just give greater than or double greater than. One is for override and one is for append. So then give the file name. That output will be saved into that file.
Okay.
Okay. So and next one is suppose generally cat. So this command we will not mostly we will not use it. Okay. But uh, just know about this command. So suppose if you want to copy any file, generally what we'll do, we will copy, okay, ABC into XYZ. So what it will do, the copy of the content ABC, it will copy it and paste into XYZ file, right? So
Mhm.
it is pasted. Okay, so now we have the two files ABC and XYZ with the same content, 82, 82 with the same data. So this way we can do copy. So there is another copy command. This is the T. T is nothing but we can by using the T command also you can copy. But when you do the copy, it will display the content. So whenever I am doing the copy CP ABC XYZ, I don't know what is the content it has in the ABC, right? Like if you use the T command, it will show it. Suppose my file name is, but you need to use the cat first, cat XYZ. Open the file. I have opened the cat XYZ file. Then that content I am copied to some triple P. So what it will do first, cat XYZ. It will
Mhm.
display the file name. Okay, display the content of this file. Then this content is copied to triple P file. So it's nothing but it will open the file and it will show before the copy.
Okay.
Okay, T is nothing but it will the copy the file. What is the output of this previous command? It will copy the file.
Mhm.
Okay, you can
Is it
copy
that
this. Yeah.
the cat we are displaying the file, right? Then TE is what?
T is copy the file into that PPP. See, this is the PPP file, right? The content of
Yeah.
XYZ is copied into here. So
So
basically,
that we are doing.
basically what does it mean is, so what is the output here? That output is saved into a file. Like suppose if I give ls minus lrt, okay, T triple R. So okay, cat triple R. If you see the output is copied here, right? So basically T is nothing but, so what is the, so before you, if you use any command, okay, what is the output it is displaying? That output is copied into your file. Like the same way previously we have discussed, right? You can give the some command, give the greater than and paste it to some file, right? Like the what is the output it is coming, that output is saved into your file.
Yeah.
Something that is greater than. Basically, how greater than works, it works like that.
Not greater than it will override every time, right? We'll see. Yeah, it is greater than, exactly. Yeah, yeah. Cat triple R, now we have this content. So I am saying that ls minus lrt, lrt wc minus l, okay, then t triple R. So now it has this content. If I give this this command, actually it is, so my output is 11. So we'll see in the cat triple R. Do we have the previous content? This content only this new content. I think it has the new content. Yes, it is override. So T is nothing but what is the output you are getting. So that output will be keep into a file. Like the same way you can use this way also. You can use or it's like similar to this command. It's like similar to this command. Okay. Okay. And
Yeah.
okay. Again, yeah, we have discussed. We will discuss about the cut command and tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, cut. Okay.
Yeah.